Yo, what's up guys? Thank you guys for watching my video, and thank you for those who like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate you guys. I know there has been a lack of content. Don't worry about it though. I got us on the content. So please do, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. And if you have, do click on the bell button to get notifications. Today in Wisconsin is pretty shit day. And to brighten the mood for you and a friend as you get through this coronavirus and bad weather, I want to show you guys a combination, a fire combination. So starting off, Malibu rum makes a fire combination to anything. So definitely went with Malibu for today's drinking festivities. Then we have Hawaiian punch. This is the lemon berry squeeze, and this here will actually go really well with the Smirnoff citrus. That will be pouring pretty much all of this, and about half of this Malibu into this beautiful container here, alongside of some fruits and vegetables, which aren't actually. Look, is pineapple a fruit? Alexa, is pineapple a vegetable or fruit?
The pineapple is a fruit that is a blend of various flowers.
Alright, Alexa, that's enough. So, she was right. It's a fruit. Alright, so we're going to mix all these fruits together, which are pineapple slices, strawberry, oranges, and lemons, all into this one container, and having a bomb fire evening. So, follow along. So the first thing I'm going to do is start off with the gorgeous Hawaiian punch. This is our base and pretty much our filler for taste. To mask all this alcohol was pretty in there. Now we got the punch out the way. It is time for the alcohol. Like I said earlier, the Smirnoff bottle is going to go fully in there. And this is the citrus flavor. Next is the Malibu. Now this is just the plain original Malibu. Really, really good. So we're gonna pour about half of it in there. Alright, so now that we got our alcohol all up in there, we're gonna start throwing in our veggies, or fruits. We're just gonna throw it all in there. Lemon time, I throw them in there. Now if you have ends like kind of like this here, where it's kind of like that, just squeeze it and then throw it in. This one we're not about to throw in, but we are going to squeeze, get all that citrus taste out of it. All right, our next item are the oranges. Same ordeal, the lemons went through. It's really crazy how everything just kind of fits in perfectly. Canned slices are next for pineapples. Dang, that's perfect. Perfect score. Alright, now we just start. Try to get as low to the bottom as we can, forcing some of these veggies and fruits down. And keep mixing. It's dangerous little concoction we got here. And so once we're done stirring, we're gonna let it sit for about an hour, I would say. Yo, welcome back guys. So our WAP is done. It's been an hour. We started after the hour, but now it's time to consume and give it a try. Man, I'm not gonna lie, this looks dangerous. The smell is good. It's soft. It smells very citrus-like. Let's go ahead and taste it. Oh yeah, this is smooth. This is dangerous. This is really dangerous. But real smooth. Goes down easy, not too sweet, not like candy water. It's just right. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Please do like and subscribe. No new content is coming out, and I wish you guys the best in this corona season and that your hairline stays straight. Take care, guys.
You said your hairline should do what?
Stay straight.